Okay, so this is a hard reset for the Samsung Galaxy A10e from Boost Mobile Straight Talk Wireless. With the phone power off, you're gonna use the volume up and power key to do this hard reset. And it is important that you know your Google account associated with the phone, because after the factory reset, you have to verify or confirm Google in order to proceed and get to the home screen. And also, it is important to know that everything is going to be deleted on the phone's memory, internal memory, like pictures, videos, downloaded applications like music and games. So if you have an external memory card, you can go ahead and remove that in order to save any files stored in the external memory card. Okay. Alright, if you are ready and agree with everything, just use volume down and power key. You wanna press these two buttons together. As soon as the Samsung logo appears, release only the power button and continue holding volume up. Okay, so volume up and power key. And when you see a recovery menu with blue letters, just release the volume button. Okay, volume up and power. Okay, release power button. Continue holding volume up. Okay, now release when you see this menu. Using volume down, let's go highlight wipe data factory reset, and then using power key, it's gonna be your enter or OK. Okay, last step is to confirm. We already went through that everything is gonna be deleted on the phone's memory, internal memory, and there's no way to recover them unless you did a backup with your Google account and with the same email and password associated with the phone. You can restore or retrieve everything after this. Okay, using volume down, press power key to confirm or OK, and then the bottom is last step is automatically highlight reboot system now. Press the power key. And now here it's going to take a few minutes, 5 to 8 minutes for the phone to um, properly reboot until you're going to take us to the initial setup screen. Okay, so here it's going to take these 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so just in case you get stuck on the track phone logo or a Samsung logo and you're not able to get the initial setup screen after 5 or 8 minutes, then that means something is wrong with the motherboard, and we need to calibrate the motherboard in order to get to the home screen of the phone. So if that is your case, just long press the power key for up to 10 seconds and then start over again with the same process. Okay, and then when you get to the recovery menu, select wipe cache partition and then wipe data factory reset. And you can repeat this process up to 8 times if possible until you are able to get to the initial setup screen. Okay, sometimes we fail to reboot our phone after so many pictures or videos deleted, and also so many downloads or web history, and then that's when the motherboard sometimes get ruined. So it is important to reboot your phone at least 3 times a month. Okay, and also if you experience drop calls or just your phone goes off with the even when the battery is completely charged, then that means something's wrong with the motherboard. And you can do the hard reset, but if you do the hard reset, remember to do a backup your data on your Google account, and that you know your email and password from Google, because you need to verify in order to get to the home screen. Okay, if not, then your phone will be blocked permanently, so just be careful with that. Okay, so we are almost done with the 5 minutes for the phone to take us to the initial setup screen. So just be patient and remember that if it takes longer than 8 minutes, then that's when you have to redo the same process. Okay, so just hanging there. Okay, so almost done. Starting Android. There you go. So now English has been automatically selected, and then open. Just open, and you can see other languages that you can use on your Samsung Galaxy A10e. Now hit the OK, then hit the blue arrow to continue, and accept terms and conditions, and then hit next. Now you can go ahead and insert a active SIM card or register any Wi-Fi because you need internet in order to verify or confirm Google. But at this point, it let me continue skip information for now since I don't have anything registered on this phone yet. And if you have any Wi-Fi available, go ahead and register, skip anyway. And now you can go ahead and select your time zone, and then to move for the month, just hit the arrow, select the day, and hit OK to save. Time uh, 45, and then AM or PM, and then hit the OK to save and hit the next button to continue. I recommend you to leave everything on from Google so you can have a better experience when you go and search stuff on Google search engine, and also updates for your Android. Um, just keep everything there. Okay, you can lock your screen with a pattern pin or password. You can go ahead and not now, or you can go ahead and do it. You can do this when you get home to system settings. Okay. Now next step is Samsung account. If you already have a Samsung account, just sign in or open a new account. This is what you get on Samsung. Okay, Samsung Cloud, so you can store your folders. And Samsung Dim, you can find my mobile, like you lost your phone, or you can just see your phone's location. You can log into your Samsung account and also secure folder just to save your important documents. Okay, and now track phone, set and continue, and it's all done. This is how to hard reset this Samsung Galaxy, and let me know if you have any other questions. Please um, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel in case that you need any other help in the future, and let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks so much.